Hi everyone. So today I have a quick tutorial to share on how to create your own background for cards. So here I have one card focal point, which is the flower pot from the Friends Forever stamp set, which is colored and kept fussy cut and kept ready. Now I have done a lot of tutorial on how to color these plants. I will link those below for you all. So I'm not going to repeat the coloring part because it's just the same thing. So what I'm doing is I'm actually using the both the illustrations of the stamp set, which is two flower pots, and I'm actually stamping them with Memento London Fog ink, which is a light gray color, and stamping it repeatedly on the base of my card pattern to create my own pattern on the card, which will actually be very similar to what is the focal point of the card. Now, this is a very neat trick for making quick patterns for your card backgrounds. And at the end of the day, since you are using the same stamp set, which you are using as your focal point, and also on the card backdrop, uh, everything will kind of line up. Just make sure that you don't use a black color for the repetitive stamping, because that then it becomes very much on your face, rather than keep the patterns normally in a light color or on a tone on tone color. The card base that I'm using is some handmade paper. This is by Lotus Company, which is very commonly available in any stationery shop near you. uh, so what I wanted to do was I wanted to keep again the palette very neutral tone and a very organic, you could say. And that is why the colors that I have used throughout this card is black, muted greens, muted blues, and things like that. So just to keep it more masculine, gender friendly, so that this could actually be given to anyone. So this is not a very colorful card. Then I have taken some strip of black cardstock, which is midnight black cardstock, and I have done some embossing on top of it. The sentiment is from the same stamp set, and it says "You are the best." So that will be that black strip will be what on which my pot will stick. So basically, my top pot is not just floating on the top of my card base. It has a, you could say, a ground. It actually looks more grounded with a black card strip on the below of the pot. So that is what I'm doing over here. And then again, I'm just for some extra dimension, I'm adding some foam tape both on the back of the sentiment as well as the pot that I have already colored and fussy cut. And I will stick that on top of my card base, just to give it some extra dimension. That's it. I've also added some splatters on the backdrop, just because I normally like to create more vintagey, splatter looking, watercolory background. If that is not your jam, you could definitely, skip that part. And then just to time that black strip of the paper with something else black on the card, what I have decided is to use the black base of the same midnight black cardstock as my card base. And that will complete my card, a very simple, however, a very pretty and natural organic looking card. And that was the card for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and do consider subscribing. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.